Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Humap content management system. In this series, I will be showing you how to create and curate content on your Humap instance. This tutorial is for the Site Settings dashboard in the CMS. The Site Settings dashboard is where you supply the basic details your instance needs. To get to the CMS, you'll first need to log into your Humap admin account. You can do that by navigating to your instance home screen and adding /admin into the address bar and clicking enter. On the login screen, type your email address into this box and your password into this box. If you would like the browser to remember your details, click Remember Me and then click Login. Once you're into the CMS, click the Site Settings button on the left side of the screen. Add a title to your instance by typing in the Site Title text box, and then add a website address, a contact email, and a short description of your website. When you're done, click Field Settings in the Site Settings dashboard up at the top. Do you want or need at least the start date for every record? If you do, click the Yes tick box here, or leave it blank if that is not the case. You can also provide a date range for your project. If the information for your project only happened between 1950 and 1980, you could add that date range here. Next, you need to decide your map's starting point and zoom level. Click the starting point and zoom in the dashboard to get to this page. You can use either the map search box or the latitude-longitude boxes to decide where your map will center. You can then click on the map to drop a red pin. This is where your map will be centered on. If you change your mind, you can click somewhere else to move the pin, and you can also come back and change this at a later date. What level of zoom do you want your map to be on? If your map is specific to a small area of one city, we recommend zooming in more so the map is more specific. But if your project is national or international, we recommend being slightly more zoomed out. To change the zoom level, edit the number in the zoom search box. Higher numbers zoom in more and lower numbers zoom out more. This might require some trial and error to get right. When you're done on this page, click Media and Footer in the dashboard. If your organization has social media, you can copy and paste their profile links into the Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram fields. That way, your Humap instance can lead back to all of your social media profiles. You can then add logos by clicking Add New Logo, uploading the logo from your computer. You can then give the logos names and decide how big you would like them to be in the footer for your instance. Make sure you upload high-definition images here. When you're done, click Update Site Meta. You can come back and edit any of this information at any time, but those are the basic site settings. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video or feature, please feel free to get in touch with us at team@humap.me.